Paper created specifically for use as bath tissue is thought to have originally been invented in China during the 6th century. Those 2 feet by 3 feet rough sheets of mottled, splintery paper are worlds apart from the bath tissue that's now available. Today, bath tissue is available in an unlimited variety of materials, widths, lengths, layers, textures, perfumes, and even colors, allowing consumers to indulge in their own personal preferences. At home, bath tissue may be used an average of 2 to 6 times a day. However, in a busy away-from-home environment, it could be used hundreds of times a day. A roll of standard bath tissue may last for days at home, but in a busy environment, it may last less than an hour. A busy facility or institution may require dozens of refills a day. As a homeowner, you may not give the cost of one roll of bath tissue a second thought. But what if you had to buy hundreds of rolls a week and pay someone to install the new rolls every time? Tissue in an away-from-home environment is also subjected to many issues that wouldn't be found in a normal home. At home, you wouldn't worry about someone stealing your bath tissue, or someone vandalizing a roll and dispenser, or dropping a roll on a wet, dirty floor, or even in the toilet. But these issues are commonplace in many away-from-home settings, all adding up to more waste and more cost. So in 1985, jumbo roll tissues, commonly referred to as JRTs, were designed for the away-from-home market with 2 very important issues in mind: reduce maintenance and reduce costs. To reduce maintenance, Vondrehle's wide selection of jumbo roll tissues are available in rolls as long as 4,000 feet, over 3/4 of a mile in length. Compare that to a leading bath tissue that's only about 80 feet long. It would take 50 rolls to equal the length of just one Vondrehle jumbo roll. To further reduce maintenance demands, Vondrehle's twin roll dispensers were designed, resulting in an additional 50% reduction in maintenance. Vondrehle offers an assortment of jumbo roll tissue dispensers for just about any location or any application. Vondrehle's 9-inch twin junior dispenser holds up to 4,000 feet of one-ply tissue, while the mini twin dispenser is perfect for small spaces, yet still holds 1,500 feet of 2-ply tissue. All of Vondrehle's twin roll dispensers further cut maintenance demands in half and are equipped with stub roll features to eliminate stub roll waste. The access control slide requires that 100% of the first roll must be completely used before the next roll can be accessed. This also eliminates users' #1 restroom complaint: the lack of toilet paper. Another common restroom complaint is broken dispensers. Vondrehle's JRT dispensers are designed and built to be trouble-free and to last for years, using virtually indestructible materials and compounds such as high-impact polycarbonate, the same material used to manufacture professional football helmets. The key locking mechanism, standard on all Vondrehle JRT dispensers, ensures that tissue stays where it belongs instead of being carried away. Some estimates state that nearly 15% of public restroom standard bath tissue is stolen annually due to lack of locking features, and that they can be used on home tissue roll holders. The large diameters of jumbo roll tissues make this impossible. Overall sanitation and hygiene are increased as Vondrehle's dispensers were designed to meet health department standards by fully enclosing the tissue, protecting it from contamination or damage. The hidden tear-off blades are safe to the touch and eliminate the need for perforated tissue, keeping the restroom floors clear of torn and wasted tissue sheets. Vondrehle's design engineers made installation a breeze. By employing numerous mounting hole locations, existing holes may often be used to mount the new dispensers, saving additional time and money. And these dispensers were designed with the narrowest profile possible, in some cases requiring even less space than a standard household dispenser, allowing customers to enjoy the benefits of a JRT system even in small or narrow spaces. When mounted correctly, all of Vondrehle's JRT dispensing systems meet current ADA standards for accessible design. Simply follow the few basic measurements and you're done. The distance from the front of the toilet to the center line of the dispenser is to be between 7 to 9 inches. The distance from the finished floor to the output of the dispenser is to be no higher than 48 inches. The distance from the finished floor to the output of the dispenser is to be no lower than 15 inches. Once mounted, simply remove the tape and place the roll or rolls into the dispenser. Here's a helpful hint. Place the rolls so that they unwind away from the user. This will create a tail that makes it easy for the user to grab. Close the lid and it's good to go. Vondrehle's jumbo roll tissue systems were designed to provide years of reliable service, control usage, and to dramatically reduce costs and maintenance demands. Comparing Vondrehle's JRT systems to a leading standard bath tissue clearly shows its advantages. Vondrehle's Jumbo Roll Tissue Systems, designed to provide years of reliable service and dramatically reduce costs.